I have the perfect chocolate and fruit treat for you. These are so simple to do. These are little patty pans and I've just placed them in a cupcake tin. I'll grab some fresh blueberries and raspberries and I'll just place one blueberry in each patty pan. And you can keep a blueberry theme, but I like the addition of the raspberries, so I'm just going to tear some lovely plump raspberries in half and add half into each patty pan. Next, some nuts. I'm using hazelnuts for some crunch. We're going to fill that up. And then to set all of these lovely ingredients, some chocolate. Melted dark chocolate. Use good quality chocolate for this. And then we're just going to pour that in the patty pan. Look at that. Now to finish it off and really accentuate the flavours of the chocolate and the berries, a little pinch of salt. So I'm going to finish these off and then allow them to set. Now you can allow them to set at room temperature, or if you want to speed it up, just pop them in the fridge until they're nice and firm. Well, these are firmed up nicely, so it would be rude not to try one. Look at these. I'm gonna peel off the patty pans. See how it's set? Just yummy, and have a look at that. You can see the raspberry too and the blueberries, and the nuts are exposed. You can have a taste. These are such a great little treat. Fantastic if people are coming over for coffee, or you could even give them as gifts. I love them.